Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online in 24 hours using this free automation bot. This pays with PayPal. Make sure to follow the step-by-step tutorial to help you to generate more income. You can start producing money right away with these free websites that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. First and foremost, as always, I'd like to offer you proof that this works and is worth your time. So you can see all of these folks who are paid on a regular basis on partial autopilot. These are all instant PayPal payments that these guys are receiving, and it's only the 4th day, as you can see. You can see how many people they've paid today, and this software is used to pay a lot of people. They don't know about or have the automation that I'm about to share with you in this tutorial. So they're only making a few dollars here and there and are basically suffering. Whereas it'll be really easy for you because the automation bot will help you maximize your results for free. I just wanted to show you proof that this actually works and that you should follow this advice. And you can see it right here that these guys have paid out over $4 million to their members. Exactly $4,086,000. This software has generated over $4 million so far, and you can see that they pay out in less than 24 hours. That is even if they have a low cash out threshold. So you don't have to make hundreds of thousands of dollars to cash out. You may cash out with only a few dollars in your account at a time trying to make money online. You may literally start making money right now. You can work from home and receive a 20-cent shared bonus, which may not seem like much, but it is a thoughtful gesture. You'd clearly just sign up for free in less than 60 seconds and get a free 20 cents bonus on top of that. PayPal, Tango gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Skrill, and Bitcoin are among the payment options available. You can select and use the payment option that best suits your needs. Personally, I appreciate PayPal since it allows me to spend my money as I chose, as well as withdraw it to my bank account and receive cash directly from an online app. Don't worry if you saw it as surveys or offers. You won't have to complete them because this website has a feature that allows you to earn money without completing surveys or offers. And then the automation bot, an external tool that I'll share with you later in this tutorial, will assist you in setting everything on autopilot and doing the work for you. The first step will be to sign up for a free account. You may sign up in less than a minute and get a 20-cent bonus. Then you'll start doing surveys and offers, which you won't be doing, and you'll get paid for it. The 3 procedures are now finished, and most payments are made within 8 hours. Superpay.me is the name of the software and website, and you can learn more about it at superpay.me. You can also see a brief video below that describes how the website works and how people have made millions of dollars using it. You can see all of the features available on the homepage, just like I showed you at the beginning of this video. If you want to view payment evidence, you may see a list of all of different people who are paid on a daily basis by clicking on payment evidence right here. You can see how much money they're raising, as well as over 33,000 pages with 20 or 30 different people on each one. This website pays a lot of people every day, and the majority of them are PayPal immediate payments, which means their money is returned to their account in less than 8 hours. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. I want you to join a free base where you can sign up for nothing because you start using the automation bot that will do the work for you. In order to register for free, you must first submit some basic information about yourself, such as your name, email address, username, password, and mailing address. Because it is a global system, you can choose your country and the place from which you are departing. And all of these countries will be accepted. So if your country is on the list, there's a good possibility it'll work for you. It works anywhere in the world, whether you're from India, the Philippines, Nigeria, the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, or Hong Kong. After that, you'll decide how you'd like to be compensated. Simply input your PayPal email address if you want to be paid via PayPal. If you want to collect Bitcoin, copy and paste your Bitcoin address into this box and then click Create Account. After you've signed up for superpay.me for free, this is what it'll look like. When you log in on the right-hand side, you can see how much money people are making on this platform in real time. But the most important thing is that you can check out paid offers right here. So you can see all of the different surveys that someone can complete, and each of those surveys will earn them money. But it's not something we'll be focusing on because surveys can be tedious and time-consuming. Then there are other offers that you can complete on a daily basis in exchange for remuneration. You can be paid to watch advertisements and engage with videos, but that's not something we'd be focusing on. You can also enter a variety of contests with the possibility of winning $1,000 cash reward, which is amazing. I strongly suggest you to look into such contests, as well as they could provide you with a substantial amount of money. You can enter several contests and win various rewards, with each prize and contest potentially worth thousands of dollars. They usually host those contests on a monthly basis, which is fantastic. So you may win $1,000 in real money using free app, website, or platform. You can also look at other people who have won thousands of dollars by using this site in the past. Anyway, how are you going to make money if not by completing surveys, offer walls, and other similar chores? How are you going to make money on autopilot, and how is the bot going to help you? First and foremost, I'm interested in learning more about their referral program. You can see exactly how much money you'll make if you click on the referrals right here. You'll get a quarter of whatever the person you referred earns on the platform. As a result, if you refer someone, they can sign up for free and start earning money by participating in surveys and other offers. You'll get a fourth of whatever they make, and they won't lose anything if they make $1,000. They'll keep their $1,000, but you'll get an extra $250 for referring them. And it's much easier to refer someone to a platform where they can sign up for free and earn money. Do you only sell them items, or do you try to persuade them to sign up for a premium offer? It will be a lot easier to persuade them to sign up for free, and they will be able to make money as well. So they'll be grateful because you provided them with a respectable platform to let them earn a little dollar here and there as a side income. And you'll be grateful because you're receiving passive income from it. If you refer 1,000 people to this absolutely free platform, which is pretty easy and simple because you saw that millions of people are using it, and each of those people makes $10 a month, then $10,000 in total. And if you make 20% off of that, that's $2,000 every single month completely passively without lifting a finger, and that's just one of the many examples. They only need to make $10 a month. It's just a no-brain. Simply ridiculous. So grab your link right now and let me show you how to set it up on autopilot so you can generate money 100% passively. You won't have to spam your friends and family to get them to join superpay.me because I don't like it when people say things like, hey, send them a message on Facebook or Instagram and ask them to sign up. I don't think that's a good idea. There's a better method, and here's how. You can only go to Hercules, which may be found at hercules.com. This is a platform that allows you to promote to thousands of people for free every day. So you can send an email with your referral link to thousands of individuals all over the world with a single click of a button. Because this is a reputable business with 100% actual traffic, real individuals are getting and reading the emails with your referral link. This is something you can only do with your smartphone. Then all you have to do is submit your ads using your smartphone. You may accomplish this from the comfort of your own bed by signing up for free on Hercules by clicking the sign up button and creating an account. You'll be able to post your ad in less than 60 seconds after that. All there's left to do now is create a call to action and insert your referral link. So all you have to do is send them this link on Hercules and it's that easy. Simply submit your ad and they'll send it out to 1,000 different people all around the world for free every day. If you can get 50 people to sign up every day for 10 days, you'll have 500 people out of 1,000 people signed up in 20 days. That's already 1,000 people. And as I indicated, all they have to do is make $10 per month utilizing our platform, which is simply 2 or 3 distinct surveys, and they'll be generating thousands of dollars passively. Obviously, this is not a long-term endeavor to which you should dedicate your complete focus. It's not going to replace your full-time job, but it's a fun way to make some extra cash on the side. Because with Hercules, your entirely free buddy will do all the work for you. It will promote your link for you, potentially earning you some money on the side. This free automation bot can get you traffic to pretty much anything. But in this case, we'll be promoting our referral link to superpay.me because you're helping others by providing a platform where they can sign up for free and make money. And on the back end, you're making a lot of passive income for yourself. So it's a win-win. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.